Hey guys, what's going on? Utilefs and Cubes here today. Today we're doing a challenge from Sam Hill. So, for this challenge, I am challenged to solve a Rubik's Cube, but with all the centers swapped. Now, I know I've done this before in my life, but it took me, I think it was like half an hour to solve. So I don't know if I'll do it, but let's just time myself. So apparently he says that just take off the centers like this and then just put them in random places. So I'll just put these in random places. I put them all in the right place. Damn it. Okay, I'll put them in all in random places. Now that's wrong there. That's wrong there. Oh my god, this is gonna be so hard to solve. Okay, let's do it. I'll get as far as I can now to give up problem. Let's do it. What's the top color? That normally doesn't happen. Let's see, I got another void party. So I don't know how it's a void party. I think this will work this time. Let's see, okay. Okay. So actually, that's about as far as I can get, apparently, because all the centers are going to be swapped. This is the proper way to solve the 3x3. So that's about to stop the timer. Time was... Oh god. 3 minutes 54, and that's actually, I don't know, really bad. I don't know if I won, but okay, let's just swap these centers back and solve properly. Oh yeah, it goes here. Where's that white piece? There we go. White goes in here. And orange. Now you know what I could do now. So I just do normal F2L. Then that. And then I gotta take this edge piece out. And then put that with this edge piece. So yeah, I'll see you guys in another episode. But remember, there's a form in the link in the description below. Please put in your challenges in that and I will do your challenges. See you guys in another episode. Bye bye.